Hello, this is Simon Lewis, and this is my Web Technology Lab Experiment 2. The title of the experiment is Designing a website using HTML file. The following elements are to be used in this experiment: doc type, HTML, meta, title tag, body tag, head tag, division, etc. Let us now view the source code. The source code is displayed here. To start with, we have the doc type HTML, which shows us that this is the document type HTML. HTML language equal to EN. So EN here stands for English, which we know that the language used here is English. The title of the web page used here is exercise 2. The body tag. The body tag contains all the content of the web page. Here the H1 heading tag is used. IMG SRC, which is the image source, to display the image file. The height of the image is given as 80, and ALT, which is known as the alternative. If the image cannot be displayed, then the text Myntra logo will be displayed. The table tag followed by the TR, which is the table row, and TD is the table data, which is given inside the table. The TD align center will bring the text in the center. Next, we have a paragraph tag, which is to display the paragraph separately and with a specified gap in between. The audio controls. The audio controls is used to play the audio in a web page. Here, the source file of the audio is given and the type is MP3. As we can see in the web page here, the audio file is here. But it hurts to think you're somewhere on a search for me. I'm here with no words to speak. So this was the audio file. Next, we have the table data along with an width of 650, height 200, and an iframe, which is an inline frame to embed and video in this web page. The video is displayed here. मेरे दो बेटा So this was the use of the iframe to display the video, an embedded video. And in the next field set we have contact us, and followed by the paragraph tag, which displays the contact address separately, and again a field set followed by the input tag. Here the input type is text and the placeholder is username, and next input type is password and the placeholder is password. So we can view it here. This was the field set for the username and the password. This is to form a group of elements together. And finally we have the iframe to display the embedded map. So here is the embedded map, as we can see here. So that was the first page, And now we can move on to the next resume web page. So this is the source code of the resume, and here we can view the web page that has been created for the resume. Submit your resume. So this is the source code of the resume. To start with, we have the document type HTML, followed by HTML tag, head tag, and the title, which is given as resume. The body, which contains all the main content of the web page. The H2, again the heading tag. Here the heading tag used is submit your resume. This H2 heading tag displays the submit your resume quite larger. As you can see here, using the H2 heading tag makes it quite display larger. Next, in the field set, which is to display or to form a group of elements together, the personal details, first name, middle name, last name, and the date of birth are the group of elements inside this field set. This is a group of elements that has been created by using the field set, and it is created inside a table. And the next is the progress bar, which is displayed by using a paragraph tag so that it can be displayed separately. Here the meter value is given as 20 and the max is 100%, when 0. The style width is given as 500 pixels, height 25 pixels, and the color is blue. So you can view the meter bar here, displaying 20% out of 100%. And the next, we have the field set for the address, city, and the state. And in the state here, we have the select tag. The select tag is to select. We have a lot of options to select from. Here, the name of the states are given: Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Andhra, Kerala, and Madhya Pradesh, of which we can select the desired state. So here is the address space, the city, and from here we can choose the state as Tamil Nadu, and zip code, which is to enter the pin code. And next, here display the meter bar as 40% out of 100, just setting the value to 40. As you can see here, the meter bar, the value is set to 40, and max 100, min 100. And next we have the contact information, which is again inside a field set. And here we have the telephone, mobile, email, website. And for the input type, here is number, in which we can only enter the number. And in the email, the input type is text, in which we can enter the text. And again at the end of it, we have the meter value as 60. Which is supported with the help of paragraph tag to display it separately. And next we have the education details, which is displayed by using the heading tag H3. The table border given here is 1 inch, and TR, which is the table data. And here we have the qualification board or university country starting here, and the table row ends here. So here we have given the input type as checkbox. and the option tag or the select tag, which allows us to select the country: India, Italy, Spain, or Brazil. Input type date, which will display as the calendar, as you can see here the web page. Inside educational details, the ending year, the format given is here is date, input type as date, so we can view the calendar and set the required date of the starting year or the ending year. Here we can enter the percentage, the input type given as number here, and the meter bar as 80% out of 100. And finally, we have the attach your resume in the format of document or PDF. Here the input type is given as submit and the name is null, value as submit your resume. So this is the input type given for attach your resume. The input type is file and the value is given as choose a file, which allows us to choose a file from our PC. As we can see here, the choose file option allows us to choose any required file from the folder. So this was the web technology lab experiment number 2, and this was the web page for the resume. Thank you.